Welcome to the car's Enigma, gearheads and dreamers. Today, we're stepping into the world of British performance royalty, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. This isn't just a facelift, it's a full-blown transformation. More power, more precision, and a whole new attitude. If you've ever wondered what happens when elegance meets aggression, buckle up. The Vantage nameplate has been around since the 1950s, but it wasn't until the early 2000s that it became Aston's definitive sports car. Over the years, it's evolved from a gentleman's cruiser to a track-capable machine. And now, in 2025, it's entering its most radical chapter yet. This isn't just evolution, it's revolution. Let's break it down. The 2025 Vantage is wider, lower, and meaner. The front grille is 38% larger, improving airflow and giving it a more aggressive snarl. The new Matrix LED headlights are slimmer and sharper, while the rear end gets a full-width light bar and a redesigned diffuser. Every line has purpose: aerodynamics, cooling, and visual drama, all working together. And these 21-inch forged wheels, they're not just for show. They shave weight and improve handling. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that finally feels modern. Gone is the outdated Mercedes-based infotainment. In its place, Aston's new 10.25-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, customizable, and driver-focused. The seats are low-slung and supportive, wrapped in bridge-aware leather. You've got real metal switches, Alcantara accents, and a driving position that makes you feel like part of the machine. Under the hood is a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 source from AMG, but heavily reworked by Aston. It now delivers 656 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That's a massive leap from the outgoing model. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Top speed? 202 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The new suspension setup, stiffer chassis, and recalibrated electronic differential make this Vantage razor-sharp in the corners. And then there's the sound. Deep, guttural, and unapologetically loud. Aston has tuned the exhaust to deliver a visceral experience, one that connects you to the car in a way few modern vehicles do. This isn't just a car, it's a symphony of combustion. Every downshift, every throttle blip, it's addictive. Despite its performance pedigree, the Vantage is surprisingly livable. Adaptive suspension softens the ride in GT mode. Visibility is decent, and the trunk can handle a weekend getaway. Fuel economy? Not great, but if you're buying a Vantage, you're not counting pennies, you're collecting memories. Starting at around $191,000, the Vantage sits in a competitive space. It's more exclusive than a 911, more visceral than a Roma, and arguably more stylish than an AMG GT. It's not the fastest or the most tech-laden, but it's the one that makes you feel something. And in 2025, that's rare. So what do you think? Has Aston finally nailed the formula? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting machines. Until next time, stay driven.